Hello and welcome to the Daily GEX Bible. Good to have you back. I'm Maya. It's Monday, May 18th, 9:40 a.m. Eastern Time. Here with GEX for the SPX Opening Bell Structural Read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. Everything you're about to hear is a structural read of SPX GEX data. Education only, not financial advice.
Yep, not advisors, not recommendations, your own risk. Let's get into it.
GEX, what's the structural read this morning?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is minus 59.4 million. Regime is negative. Spot is 74.06, above the flip at 74.05.
And what does that mean for how the tape behaves today?
Means dealers are amplifying moves, and the walls are softer than they look. That's the through line for the whole session.
On the levels panel, what stands out?
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 74.20 and 74.25. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 74.06. You can see a put wall stack at 7400 and 7390 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
Range to watch is 7400 to 7420.
That's the range. First touch tells us if the SPX structure holds or breaks.
If you had to pick one thing to watch,
Any break of the put wall. Negative gamma means there's no friction below. If it goes fast.
give me the two scenarios, bear and bull.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 7400 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 7390. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 7420 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 7430. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
And again, framework predictions about SPX structure, not trade recommendations. GEX isn't telling you what to trade.
Yep, your read, your risk.
All right, that's the morning read. End of day recap drops after the close. GEX, last word?
Trade your own risk. The dealer has to come back and come back and come back. We'll see you at 4:30.
Like and subscribe if this helps you read SPX structure. Take care, everyone. Goodbye. We'll be back after the bell.
And one last thing. The dealer cannot hold of you. That is what makes their flow readable. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.